Hey guys, Cozy here, and welcome back to another tutorial. So after you have your materials, we'll get started. Do you know how many patterns we are gonna need to make our oven mitt? 1, 2, 3. Pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. We are gonna take and put the patterns 2 and 3. Next, what you want to do is put the pattern 1 between 2 and 3. This is a way to draw our patterns 1, 2, 3. I want you to remember is the length of the red lines are all same. The next one that I'm gonna show you is our main fabrics and the linings that have 1 centimeter seam allowances. But you can check the bottom of the main fabric seam allowances are 2 centimeters. Next, you want to prepare the cotton beddings that are the same sizes with the linings. Let's trace the flowers patterns on the lining and stitch except the openings. Next, you want to cut them out. So now snip those corners because this is gonna make them easier when you turn them right sides out. After ironing, you can connect them with running stitch, but you don't need to create a knot. So now attach them on the main fabric. Next, we are gonna take a circle here and do running stitch. Not too close to the edge. Now put the button so that you can pull it and stitch to fix it. So now create a knot. It's time to applique with letter stitch. Our next step is put the cotton beddings on the main fabrics. Next, what you want to do is put the pattern 2 and 3 right sides together. So now stitch along the lines. The next one we are gonna do is put the pattern 1 and them right sides together. And then we are gonna stick some pins all the way around. Stitch along the line. Now you can do the same thing on the opposite side. Next, you want to clip the seams. It's time to make a loop so that you can fold it like me and stitch. Now we are gonna take the linings and put the pattern 2 and 3 right sides together and stitch along the lines. From now on, you can do the same thing like the previous step. Let's take the main fabric. So now take and turn the lining right side out. Now put it inside the main fabric. Next, you want to match the seams. So now put the loop upside down. And we're gonna stick some pins all the way around. Maybe when you stitch it, you should leave the opening. Now stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Let's turn it right side out. After close the opening with letter stitch, this project will be complete. Well done! Thank you for watching me. See you next video. Bye!